Green salad digestion, a luminous journey. She enjoys a crisp green salad in the sundae. Fresh leaves glisten with dew and olive oil. She takes a slow, satisfied bite. Camera dives toward a glowing throat portal. Leafy greens stream down in emerald light. The tunnel pulses gently, guiding the flow. Greens swirl into a glowing stomach pool. Enzymes spark like tiny golden fireflies. Energy ripples spread through the chyme. The camera glides along radiant intestines. Nutrients pulse through microvilli like stars. Her whole body glows with natural energy.